In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Etsy shop icon. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account and how to upload a clean, on-brand image that looks great to shoppers. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Etsy. When the results load, click the first official link to open the Etsy homepage. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in now. Make sure you're using the account that owns the shop you want to update. If you use two-factor authentication, have your device ready so you can complete the sign-in promptly. Once you're in, head to your account menu at the top and choose Account Settings. This ensures you're in the right area of your profile and sets you up to access your shop tools smoothly. From there, navigate to your shop manager. This is the control center for your storefront and listings, and it's where you'll make visual updates, like your shop icon. Inside Shop Manager, look for the Sales Channels section. Next to your shop name, you'll see a small pencil icon. Click that pencil to edit your shop details. This opens the area where you can change visual elements tied to your shop's identity. Find the placeholder for your shop icon and select the camera icon next to it. This is the gateway to uploading a new image. Before you choose your file, a quick tip. Your shop icon is best as a square image. Aim for a clear, high-resolution square, commonly 500 by 500 pixels, so it displays crisply across desktop and mobile. JPEG or PNG usually works well. Keep your design simple and centered, with enough contrast so it's readable at smaller sizes. Click Choose a file, then browse your computer to locate the image you want to use. Pick the file and confirm. If Etsy shows a preview or an optional crop tool, adjust the framing so your logo or artwork sits neatly within the square. Make sure nothing important is cut off at the edges. When you're satisfied, click Save Changes. Etsy will apply the update to your shop. Give it a moment, then check the preview to confirm everything looks right. If you don't see the update immediately, refresh the page. It can also help to view your shop from a new tab or an incognito window to see what shoppers will see. That's it. Your shop icon is updated. A strong, consistent icon helps visitors recognize your brand at a glance. If you ever want to refresh your look, repeat these steps with a new image that fits your brand's style and season. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.